session, we were able to explain both our sides in a very conducive manner for understanding. At hopefully, sana tomorrow, we're able to come into an agreement. We'll have succeeding meetings pa mamayang gabi with our counterparts in our group sa House. But everything looks very positive.
Sir, ano tatanungin niya sa House?
Of course, re-report lang kami. Re-report lang kami na na-explain na namin yung panic ng House at na-explain na rin ng Senado yung kanilang side. And that, of course, yung leadership ng House, kailangan namin inform din kung ano yung nangyari. But at this point in time, it's very positive that we can come to an agreement. Hopefully tomorrow, we can get there.
So yung contentious issues na settled?
Yes, yun nga, we just needed a place to explain to each other. May punto sila, may punto rin naman kami. At bottom line, we wanted a new budget. Tama yung sabi natin Pangulo na get yourself comfortable first, mag-usap kayo. Ngayon na maayos na yung usapan, we had a very good meal together, shared a few laughs. Okay.